Righty-o. Decimal ops, investigation 1.2. We are starting with an estimation of Tat Ming's purchases at the grocery store. So I started that over here, and what we have done is estimated the chips to be about approximately $3. The salsa is approximately $2. I rounded the cheese down to $1, the ground beef down to $3, and the jalapenos up to 50 cents. Adding all of that together, I got $9.50. The second part of this is that Tat Ming estimated his bill to be $10. And how did he arrive at that estimate? Well, I believe that he probably estimated the jalapenos to be $1 instead of 50 cents. Part 3, the cashier told Tat Ming that his bill was $34.75, and this was like, whoa, crazy. How do you know that this is unreasonable? Because it's nowhere near our two estimates of either $10 or $9.50. B, what error do you think the cashier made? And I am going to guess that the error the cashier made was he moved the decimal point accidentally from $2.79 to $27.90. Pretty big mistake. And part 4, use a calculator, preferably not, mental arithmetic or other method to find the exact total. Was your estimate in part 1 close enough to be helpful? Well, we're going to add $2.79, $1.99, $1.29, $3.12 plus 45 cents, and we come to a total of $9.64, which is pretty close to the estimate of $9.50. All right, moving on. Maria would like a new bicycle. She's going to get all this money, or she already has all this money, and we're going to estimate how much money she has at the end of the weekend when she's done babysitting. So I chose to estimate $78 as 80. $5 stayed $5, $25 stayed $5. I rounded $13.73 up to $15, and I rounded $12 down to 10. Adding all of that up gave me $125. So, number 1, I said she'll have approximately $125. 2, we're going to figure out exactly how much she had. So there we're coming back to the 78, the 5, 25, $13.73 plus $12, adding all of this together, grand total of exactly $123.73. I would say that $123.73 is pretty close to my estimate of $125. And part 3, does Maria have enough money to buy the bicycle? Well, since the bicycle is $129.89 and she has $123, we can subtract the total amount that she needs, or we'll subtract how much she has from how much she needs, and we will see that she has $6.16 that she still needs to come up with. Alrighty. Problem C. Letitia wants to replace the carpet in her bedroom with hardwood flooring. The hardwood flooring costs $23.95 per meter. She's done 3 separate estimates here. Estimate A, she rounded the length and width of the room down to 3 and 4 meters. And then she also rounded the cost down to $20. Putting all of this together gave her a cost approximately $240 to do the room. Estimate B, she kind of decided that maybe there wasn't enough space in the first estimate, and that maybe she hadn't rounded the cost of the per square meter high enough, so she raised those Putting it all together, she has a cost of approximately $325 for estimate B. Estimate C, she decided to round 3.25 up to 4 meters and 4.1 down to 4 meters. And in this one, she again used the $25 estimate for the cost per meter, coming out to a cost estimate of $400. After looking at the 3 estimates that Letitia came up with, I decided to go with estimate number 2 as the most close to what will probably be true. Problem 3 of part C says that Letitia decides that she would like a rug in her room now. In order to figure out how big the rug is going to be, if it covers 1/4 of the floor. Whoops, there we go. 1/4. I multiplied the length and the width of the room. I got 12, and then I divided it by 4 because we're dividing it into fourths, and got a final answer of 3 square meters as the area of the rug. And number 4, I'm starting to think that Letitia just needs to make up her mind what she's going to do with this room, but now she's considering tile. Covering the entire room would cost her $350. So we're going to estimate the cost per square meter of the tile. We know that $350 is how much the whole room would cost. 12 is square meters of approximate square meters of the room. Therefore, we can say that approximately $30 per square meter is the cost of the tiles for her room. Congratulations, you've made it to the end.